What I want to do now is to talk you through one of our flagship product ranges, and it's one we're really proud of. If anything, it's probably a little bit understated compared to some of the other ranges we do, is the biomarine. And what I want to run you through is 4 key elements of the bait, which makes it really, really special. Now, the first one, which is almost the core of the bait, which makes up the majority of the bait's makeup, is it's a marine-based derivative. Now, what that means is all the ingredients that we use that go into the biomarine come from the sea. Now, the word bio actually means life or living, which means all of the ingredients which we get from the sea have at one stage been alive, which really gives that bait its core marine-based flavour. That's the real sort of core of the bait. Now, the second element which I want to talk to you about is one of the main ingredients which goes into it is the cultivated algae. Now, what cultivated algae does is it gives all the fish its nutrients which it needs. It supplements part of the fish's diet. It's like when you use supplements yourself, it gives you all of the stuff which you don't necessarily get from your day-to-day food. Now, one other really important element which goes into the bait is single cell yeasts. Now, the single cell yeast that we use isn't traditionally used within the bait industry, but what that does is it gives it a different flavour dimension, something you can't really put your finger on, which gives it that bait, that extra flavour dimension, gives it something different compared to other baits which are available on the market. And finally, one of the other really important elements which goes into the bait is that we use proven aquatic stimulants. Now, the aquatic stimulants that we use are traditionally used in fish farming, and what they're designed to do is to trigger feeding responses within the fish. So when that bait is out there in the lake and it's reacting with the water, the fish are going to be sensing all of those aquatic stimulants, and it's going to be naturally triggering a feeding response within the fish. And those are the 4 key elements which really make up the biomarine and what make it so special, really. Now, the biomarine is available in 1 kilo bags, in 5 kilo bags, and we have a whole range to go with it as well. We have pop-ups, we have wafters, we have boosted hook baits, we have washed out hook baits, not to mention stick mix and liquids. We've got a whole range to go with it. Now, if you want to find out any more information about it, all you need to do is go onto our website, www.munchbaits.com, and if you want to get your hands on some, if you visit our stockist page on the website, you can find the local tackle shop closest to you. Go down there, grab yourself a bio and find out what all the fuss is about.